Welcome to our Strawberry Girl makeup tutorial, inspired by none other than the fabulous Hailey Bieber, where we'll transform your everyday look into a springtime spectacle. This isn't just your run-of-the-mill makeup guide. We're here to show you how to upgrade your normal look into something as fabulous as Hailey herself, all while adding a hint of fruity fun. Imagine combining the bright color of juicy strawberries with the delicate beauty of springtime flowers, reminiscent of Hailey's iconic style. That's what we're aiming for with our Strawberry Girl makeup look. So let's dive into this exciting journey with Hailey Bieber as our muse, to switch up your everyday makeup into something truly cool and spectacular for the spring season. Loving the aesthetic editing design of this video? It's all thanks to the incredible talents of Bestie Mofi, the artist behind the stunning visuals. Make sure to check out her channel for more aesthetic videos. I've dropped her channel link in the comments below. Let's start by cleaning our face, okay? Now, think of your favorite foundation and concealer. Got it? Great. We're going to use them to make a nice, even base, our clean slate. Imagine we're going to paint our own Strawberry Girl masterpiece on it. Sounds fun, right? Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. It makes you look super natural. To make sure it's really even, blend it well using a foundation brush or a beauty sponge, whichever you like more. This step is super important. We want our bright colors to stand out against a perfect background. Next, apply a concealer under your eyes. It'll hide those pesky dark circles or any spots. Blend it really well into your foundation so there's no noticeable difference between them. Remember, the secret to the perfect base makeup is blending. So, take your time, blend the products really well into your skin. Once you're happy with your base, set it with a translucent powder. It'll make sure your makeup stays on all day. Now with your base makeup looking perfect, you're all set to jump into the colorful world of Strawberry Girl makeup. Excited? Well, stay tuned. Get ready, because we're about to dive into a world of color. Just picture yourself as a strawberry girl surrounded by reds, pinks, and every juicy shade in between. First off, let's play with some eyeshadow. Choose a bright red, the color of a ripe strawberry at peak season, and apply it to your eyelids. Spread it up and out, making your eyes pop like a juicy berry. After that, grab a soft pink, like the inside of our favorite fruit, and use it to blend the edge of the red. This gives your eyes some depth and brings the look together like a delicious fruit salad. Now onto the exciting world of blush and highlighters. Swipe a rosy blush on the apples of your cheeks. Don't you look as fresh as a just-picked strawberry? Blend the blush upwards towards your temples, creating a flow of color from your eyes to your cheeks. Then it's time to shine. Apply a pink highlighter on the high points of your cheeks, your nose, and the inner corners of your eyes. It's like the first rays of sun on a strawberry field. To finish the eye look, pick a deep red or burgundy liner. This will make your eyes pop and really show off those berry tones. Remember, blending is your best friend here, so everything transitions smoothly, just like a dreamy strawberry smoothie swirl. Now your eyes and cheeks look as fresh as a field full of strawberries. Ready for the final touch? Hey there, here's how we'll become a super cute strawberry girl. First, we're going to put on some lip gloss that's super shiny and as red as a ripe strawberry. Picture your lips as if you've just eaten a delicious, juicy strawberry. That's the color we're going for. Start with a pinkish lip liner, which we'll use outside our actual lip line for a bigger smile. Then use a shiny, yummy lip tint to fill it in. The gloss will make your lips look like a juicy fruit, plump and yummy. Now to keep your makeup looking fresh all day, we'll set it with a special spray that makes your skin look fresh and glowy. Remember, you might need to touch up your gloss and powder a few times during the day. And there you have it. You're now a gorgeous strawberry girl. And trust me, you're going to rock this trend. You're ready to take on the world with your fruity style. And there you go, a cool, sweet makeup style that's totally perfect for spring. We've let you in on our secrets, get that awesome strawberry girl look. And now, we want to see you take a shot at it. Remember, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring our bell for a lot more transformations in the beauty world. We're super excited to see your own version of the Strawberry Girl makeup look, so let's get that done. This is going to be fun.